guys, today I'm going to cook a rib roast in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I've got a beef rib roast here. This one was 3.4 pounds, $7.99 per pound, so total price was $27.17. So all I'm going to do with this is just season the outside with some kosher salt. Kind of do it all around. Okay. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper, of course. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm going to stick this oven meat thermometer right in the center of it so I can tell when it's done. Rare is 120 to 125. Medium is 130 to 135. And well done is 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, now we'll get that into the oven. This is the first roast I've cooked in this little air fryer oven, so I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. Now in a big oven, they say to cook it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, but since I'm closer to the heating elements, I'm going to turn it down to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see how that goes. It's been an hour and a half, and the internal temperature is 120. So I think I'm going to shut this off right there and just let it rest in the oven for a few minutes. And I'm using the air roast setting, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. So I'll let that rest for a little bit and then we'll cut into it and try it out. This has been resting for 15 or 20 minutes and the temperature is over 130 degrees now. So the temperature has climbed about 10 or 15 degrees just since I shut the oven off. So that's one thing that took me a while to learn, is you always want to shut your meat off a little bit before your done temperature. I pulled that string off of there, and this has 2 ribs, so I'm just going to try to cut it right down the center, and we'll see how it looks. Hitting a bone or something here. There we go. That looks pretty good. Might be a little more cooked than I wanted it, but it looks juicy. Like I said, the temperature kept climbing. It climbed up to about 135, but it looks pretty good. Let's try it out. All right, let's try this. I always kind of like this outer part that has all the seasoning on it. When I was a kid, my mom cooked a roast. I always wanted the end piece. All right. Looks good. Whoa. That's good. Pretty tender and flavorful. And he's going nuts over here. We'll give her a nice pink piece from the middle. Try that, Annie. Floor looking good. Well, that worked out good. It was tender and juicy. It cooked evenly. I think the only thing I might do different next time is just pull it out a tad bit sooner. Otherwise, I was happy with it. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.